Okay, so this time we're going to multiply complex numbers again, and we have 4 minus 2i times 6 plus 5i. Now you can use FOIL or you can use distribution, whatever way you want to go about it. I'm going to use FOIL, and it's a long time since we've done it if you're doing this in Algebra 2. So if we're going to do it here, the first FOIL is the first in each, so that's 4, and 6 is the first part of each parenthesis. The O is the outside of each parenthesis, so that would be the 4 and the 5i. And the I stands for the inside, so that's negative 2i by the inside is 6. And the last in each is negative 2i times 5i. Okay, so 4 sixes are 24, plus 4 by 5i is 20i, plus negative 2i by 6 is minus 12i, and this is plus negative 2i by 5i is negative 10i squared. Okay, so if we have two signs coming together, a plus and a minus coming together, or two minuses coming together, if that was to be the case, we have to resolve those first. So this would be 24 plus 20i, plus minus is a minus 12i, and plus minus is minus 10i squared. Now some of you may be able to skip through that step, but I just want to make sure that I'm doing it and that you can see what's happening. So this would be 24, that's the only number. Now 20i minus 12i, plus 20 minus 12, they have different signs, so subtract. 20 take away 12 is 8, and 20 is bigger, so use the sign of the 20, which is a plus, so plus 8i. Okay, and then the minus 10i squared. Minus 10i squared, remember we replace I squareds. As soon as we see I squareds, we replace them with minus 1. Okay, so that's going to be 24 plus 8i. Minus 10 by minus 1 is plus 10. So now if you look for numbers, 24 and 10 is 34 plus 8i. Okay, so 34 plus 8i. Now at this point you have a single number, you have a single I, you can't do anything else. So that's it, finished. Okay, thanks.